Here we go. I got this today. Actually, not today, but this is what I'm working on today. Star Wars. May the 4th be with you. Okay, that's not what it's about. What this is about, what it's about. Disney, Lucasfilms, Marvel. Wow. Who would have thought that would ever happen? Look at 2019. But what started it all? Check this out. This is what started it all. This right here. Star Tours. I'm going to build this today, but I just think it's kind of significant that Star Tours started this whole Star Wars and Disney combination. It's very, very interesting to me and kind of significant. My niece's first attraction at Disneyland she's working on is Star Tours. And now they're opening up a Star Wars themed land inside of Disneyland. So to me, it's pretty significant. So I kind of just wanted to try to build this. But here's some tools. Here's another thing. Radio Shack. Radio Shack? I don't know. Does Radio Shack exist still anywhere in the USA as an electronics store? This is kind of dirty and gritty because I actually use this out on my cars. But I was watching a video on how to build this metal thing, and they said that I'm going to need some tools. The instructions says I'm going to need some pliers, and I probably can't get these pliers out because they're stuck in there. Pliers and some cutters, and here's tweezers, and these one of the instructions says I need one of these and one of these screwdrivers, a flat screwdriver and one of these ones. And you know what, just for the heck of it, I'm going to take this out because we need a round surface to round some of the model. So let's rip this open. Actually, I wonder if I could open this carefully. Half of the video is opening it. Now, see, look at it. It got messed up, so no point. See, this is from Disney Park. Well, Star Tours, but this is a metal model. And if this is probably your first video of seeing this, but probably not, because there's this one guy that did one of these metal models, and here's the instructions. I'm going to lay this out. It's not going to be very in-depth kind of tutorial, but it's just more for your entertainment purposes of this metal model. Metal Earth. Metal Earth. 3D metal model kits. And see, this says right here, I need to have needle nose pliers, and that's what I have. But then the other video said to get some of these cutters to cut, and also tweezers and whatever. I showed you that already. Number 1, here's the order of the model and how to build it. And if I don't complete this model right now, I'm probably not going to complete it because I have no way to edit my videos. Just because of my circumstances, I don't even have a way to make good videos, but that's why I'm just kind of doing it like this. See, number 1, and so on and so forth. So here's the metal pieces. Oh, it got kind of bent. How's this kind of bent? Huh. Well, maybe they just pop out. Maybe these are not complicated at all. So number 1 is this. Oh, look, that must be the top because it has more details and the bottom doesn't have any details. See that? So that's the top. So does this pop out easy? Let's see. Well, there's little connectors here. So maybe that's where I need these cutters. See, how could, I'm not trying to mess this model up. See, this is not like a real flat edge, so I think maybe I will snap it out. And wow, this is my first time doing one of these models, and so it's probably not going to be a good tutorial for you. But see, this has to be more flat, more like a sharp edge. Someone was using a razor blade in one of the videos, so yeah. I wonder if I just bent it. Well, that's not very good. No one in any of the videos I saw about this metal earth actually was like showing how to pop this out. But according to the instructions, you're just supposed to kind of just pop it out. Yeah, see, I could tell this video is going to be boring already because, oh, how about this? These cutters aren't even that good. I should have rehearsed. Maybe it would have been more helpful. But like I said, this is the first Star Wars themed attraction at the Disneyland park. I think I remember going there in 87 or 86 to go on this attraction for the first time, and it was cool. It was neat, you know. Oh, okay. Cut one part off. There we go. See, it cut one part. I want to be careful. I do want to make this look really cool. I don't want to damage it and rough it up too much. This is just a plate of steel. So maybe, you know, kind of like a, oh, here we go. That took a few minutes to get out, and that's, if that's how I was going to be building this, I'm probably going to just turn on the music and have at this, see? So that's the first piece it says to take out. Turn it. Okay, see? The instruction says to fold it. So maybe that's where the pliers come in. But I'm going to just kind of do it by hand. The sides go like this. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. You're supposed to take this, these metal pieces. Maybe that's when you get this. You get the metal and you kind of bend this. Shoot, I don't know. This is a little bit more challenging than I thought. Oh, wait, here we go. These are bending. Yeah, I'm not gonna like videotape or do a video of this whole process because I don't know what I'm doing exactly. I don't even know how to use the tools that they recommend. The instruction says to use pliers. So maybe you take the pliers and kind of bend them in word a little bit. Oh wait, you gotta kind of bend. Okay, this bend. Oh shoot! See, I don't want to bend it too much because if I break it, then game over. Game over. No game over. See, it's taking shape. Just took me a few minutes to figure it out. But see, these are these little tabs here. You want these little tabs to shoot. Yeah, see, this don't even close. These are not even good pliers. I've been using them on my car. They're good for big old thick pieces of metal, but not for little piece of sheet metal or whatever. See, look at. So I'm gonna take the tweezers and try the tweezers. This, yeah, there we go. The tweezers aren't even helping. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I thought this Radio Shack kit would help to build this, but apparently it's not working out. So maybe I will do a little bit of a explanation after I figure it out, because so far I don't know how to bend these tabs in. These tabs are supposed to be bent. See, these tabs are supposed to be bent into this piece here. So, and I haven't even got past, there's a assembly flow sheet right here. Assembly flow sheet. Flow chart, sorry. Don't worry, I never learned to read or write or even be funny. But anyways, this is just barely the beginning of this, and eventually it's gonna look like that. The Starspeeder 1000.